India is a land of diverse culture and mystic charm, and many travelers visit India every year to experience India's rich cultural heritage. There are several religious or holy places in India which have mysteries or unexplained stories. Know everything about these temples here. Here comes the 10th Bullet Baba temple. Here, the bike drives itself to a place. People in India worship cows, monkeys, stones, trees, everything. But a bullet? This is a question of wonder, right? Here goes the story behind this temple. A man on his bullet died in an accident where currently this temple resides. The next day, police took his body and bike away and kept the bike in the police station. Next day, the bike was found exactly in the same spot where the person died. Next day, the bike was tied to a chain, still it made its way to the spot. This kept repeating several times until the bike was permanently set there. And thus, the temple of Bullet Baba was created. The bikers and travelers pray at this temple for a safe journey. Here comes the 9th Sri Dakshina Mukh Nandi Tirth Kalyana Kshetra. In the year 1997, during some construction process near the temple, the workers found another temple of Nandi Bali. As they further dug out the temple, a small pool of water was found inside the temple, and even Nandi was ejecting clean water. Here, the temple continuously bathed with water from the mouth of a stone Nandi. Here comes the 8th Lepakshi or Veerabhadra temple. It maximum catches the attention of the people with its hanging pillar. There are 70 pillars in the temple, this being the most wonderful. To test its reality, the temple passes a piece of cloth through bottom of pillar. Here comes the 7th Raviswara temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. In this temple, there is Swayambhu, that is self-manifested Shiva Lingam on which sun rays falls over the lingam in the form of garland throughout the day. Many temples in South India has this type of architectural wonder in which light rays falls on the Shiva Lingam only during special days and time. Here comes the 6th Nilayappa temple. In this temple, there are musical pillars which can produce the 7 swaras of classical music. If you tap these pillars with your fingers, you can clearly hear the musical notes arising. Here comes the 5th Stambheshwar Mahadev temple. The temple popularly known as the disappearing temple. The uniqueness of this temple is its location. It is situated in the middle of the Arabian Sea in the Bay of Cambay. This lingam of Lord Shiva can only be viewed during low tide hours and get disappeared inside the sea during high tide hours. Here comes the 4th Jwala Devi temple. This temple is dedicated to Sati, wife of Lord Shiva. The uniqueness of this temple is eternal flame that is burning in the premises of the temple for almost 100 years without any source of fuel. The mythological story is to be believed that Sati killed herself after her father mistreated Shiva. After her death, Lord Vishnu divided her body into 51 pieces, which fell on different parts on the earth. The tongue is believed to be fallen at this place where Jwala temple have been constructed. Many scientific organizations have come here to research about the source of this eternal flame but have failed. Here comes the 3rd, the statue of Yasi. Yasi is a mysterious animal that is carved in many South Indian temples. It is very common to see these animal carvings in the temples of Tamil Nadu. In the mouth of this animal, there is a round stone ball present inside it. The mystery is you can touch this ball and rotate it freely inside the sculpture's mouth, but you can't take it out. Even 100 people cannot remove it. Here comes the 2nd Vadakunathan temple. This temple is dedicated to Bhairav, has carvings of different stages of fetus growth in a mother's womb. These carvings were made before 1000 years before the invention of X-rays. Here comes the first Kal Bhairav temple. You might have heard about many offerings given to God, but the tradition followed in this Kal Bhairav is quite different from others. The offerings to the god here is only alcohol. The bowl full of alcohol, when touched to the mouth of the god, just within few seconds the alcohol disappears. The mystery of how this stone statue is able to drink the alcohol have always been confusing to Indians who have visited this place. So far, no scientific explanation could have been given. If you are interested to know such unknown and interesting facts, let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to get the latest notification. And please do support us. Thanks for watching.